What's up, my friends? Johnny V here. Got a little model to unbox today. Nicely packaged. Got this model from diecastairplanestore.com. I think it's in North Carolina. Did a pretty good job packaging it. Came really fast. 2 or 3 days. Got a really good deal on it. I paid like $65 something with a coupon. They sent me a text code via they sent me a code via text message, I should say. There's a model number. G2 UPS 978. Yeah, that's an 8. The Boeing 757-200 freighter. This is the pop top. You can read that. You can pause and read it if you want. February 1982. Designed to replace the 727-200. Kinda hard taking it out by yourself. Nice plastic cover. Actually, I mean, I knew this box was never open because it was a hard time with the little thumb tabs. Oh, what can brown do for you? Comes with a nice little stand, the 757 stand. Hold on a second. I wonder if my other 757 stand is smaller. No, it's the same size. Hold on a second. They look similar in size. Yeah, they're probably the same size. Just look different. Anyway. Yeah. Comes with the landing gear. Removable landing gear. This little baggie right here. We're gonna get to it. First, gotta take the plastic off. Initial impressions, looks really good. I don't have any of the landing gear on yet. Let me put the landing gear on. I tried to put the flying covers in the gear covers. I couldn't really figure this one out. It's got the 464 tail number. This is a little cover here, but these are not magnetized and they don't stay in very well. Well, usually they have like a little toothpick you can use to take them out. It doesn't come with a toothpick to get them out, but I don't know, if you just turn it upside down and shake it, it falls right out. So I'm not really a fan of these landing gear cover. The landing gear cover is not very useful. Anyway, when I turned it upside down accidentally, it just fell out. I mean, look, it's just, I may have it in wrong, but it looks terrible. Anyway, I rarely have that stuff set up. I usually have the landing gear in. Let's take a look at it. Engines. 7.5 engines. You see the landing lights, the red light on one side. I think it's different color on the other side. Probably red and green. Can't really see right there. I think it looks greenish. See the fan blades. Let's get the above. Oh, I'm trying to brush off a dot, but it's a red dot that's actually supposed to be on it. The red dot on each wing. See the red dot? It just look good from up above. The silver shine. Antennas look good. November 464 Uniform Papa. Cargo door, L1 door, if I keep the camera still. Nice looking nose. Let me put the landing gear on. Here's what the landing gear looks like. The nose wheel landing gear is not magnetic. It's just like the kind you push in and it kind of has a cushion and it kind of just stays there by itself. But the rear landing gear is magnetic. A little magnet there. And it helps if you try to put them on the right side. You know, I got a 50-50 shot and I'm gonna guess wrong every time without looking at it and trying to figure it out. The wheels do rotate a little bit. Not much though. Looks much better with the wheels on. The UPS is the 757-200 is 155 feet long and almost 125-foot wingspan. Let me get some other 757 birds to compare alongside some of its friends. Hold on. The 757 is becoming one of my favorite models, one of my favorite planes. I really want to get the 757-300. I need y'all to click the thumbs up and subscribe and all that good stuff if I'm going to do that, because it costs a little bit more. They're a little bit more rare, hard to find. This is a Delta 757-200. This is obviously the United and the New York, New Jersey livery. Got a nice Statue of Liberty. But this one got the winglets. I don't think I'm a fan of the winglets. I'd rather the straight wings like that without the winglets. Alright, smash that thumbs up button for me. Subscribe if you haven't and all that good stuff. I'll see you on the next video. Oh, here's the loading, the ground servicing, if that interests you. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.